freelancing services. How much do you know about it? Well, if you don't know much, let me tell you a couple things right now. Freelancing services are easy to start up, free, is really in demand right now, and it's a great way to make some great income online. So if you haven't started up your freelance service career yet, now is the perfect time. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to start, where to start, and even a few websites of where you can get started at. And if you're new here, welcome to Online Muscle Hustle, where all we do is find different ways to make an online income. So let's get to it. First off, let me explain what freelance service exactly is. Freelance service is basically where you offer up a skill set where you have, let's say, I'm good at creating a website. So say a business or entrepreneur or somebody needs me to create a website. What they would do is pay me a fixed price or pay by hour for me to create that website. Let's say they pay me $10 per hour to create the website, and it take me 4 hours to create it. That will be $40 in my pocket right there for creating a website, because I'm good with that skill set and that's what they needed. That's basically what freelancing services are. They just paying you for your skills. And let's say you didn't really have any skills starting off, like, you know, you just brand new to the online world and you don't really know how to do much. Don't worry. It's a few gigs where you can get started off really easy and can pretty much promote to anyone. And I just wanted to mention a couple just in case that is you. And the first one is becoming a virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant is free and easy as well, and you can list this as a gig on any website you want. The way virtual assistants work is all that you pretty much do is just to offer up your time. Let's say a business reach out to you and be like, hey, we need a virtual assistant, are you interested? They'll pay you by the hour or a fixed price, and all you pretty much will be doing is doing the task that they show you how to do. Yes, they will show you how to do the task, because if they hire you as a virtual assistant, 9 times out of 10 they're going to be showing you what task needs to be done step by step, so they don't have to do it. So on top of getting paid for a new skill that you're going to be receiving, you're going to be increasing your skill set as well. And the next ones I want to mention is logo design and slogan maker. Yes, people will actually pay you to make up a slogan for them, but creating a logo is easily done with a website called Canva.com. Canva.com is basically a graphic designer's dream. You can do so much with Canva that doesn't make any sense. You can create backgrounds, you can create logos like I just mentioned, you can create a lot of social media posts, you can create a lot of stuff in Canva. So definitely check it out if you want to do some more gigs. Alright, now that you have some background information of what freelancing services are and a couple gigs that you can start off with easily, let's get to a few websites where you can put up your services. And the first one I want to mention is called Fiverr.com. Alright, and this right here is Fiverr.com. And yeah, as you can see, it's a pretty clean first look. And just hit join. You can join Facebook, Google, or Apple. And once you join, you're going to be on a screen like this. And so all you need to do to start selling is go to switch to selling. And then once you do that, then all you need to do is go to gigs. It's going to be up in the top. And then push on create a new gig. And all you need to do is, you know, title your gig. Title could be I will create a logo design. As you can see, logo design right there. And as you can, it's pricing, and then descriptions and FAQs, which is just questions and answers. Requirements is basically you asking what the business for information that you need to finish the gig. Your gallery is just like your finished work that you've already completed, but once you're starting off, you don't really need to worry about that. And then step 6 is publish. So those are the easy 6 steps to get started, which won't take you more than an hour to create the gig if you put in the real work. So yeah, that's pretty much a Fiverr.com. And last thoughts on Fiverr, I just wanted to mention how great of a service it is and how easy it is to sign up and apply for. Anybody pretty much can sign up for Fiverr gigs and start promoting their gigs, no matter how much your experience are. And the next website I want to mention where you can offer your services are people per hour. So this right here is people per hour home screen. Once you go to the website, and once you go to the website, all you have to do is go to click and become a freelancer. And right here say I want to hire a freelancer or I want to work as a freelancer. This is the option you're going to choose, and then they give you the option to sign up with your Facebook or email. So you know, just sign up, put in the little bit of information that they need right here, and then hit sign up. And then you're going to be at this screen right here, and it's just going to be a little more information. It's tell us about you, select your skills, add your references, set your on-site preferences, and personalize your application. And those are the 5 steps you need to apply for to start selling your gigs on people per hour. It's not going to be that hard. And let's say you had some more, you know, skills that you wanted to sell. You up top, you can see all the different categories where you can sell them in. So once you apply, they'll have the option for you to sell any of those skills up top. I've bought a lot of gigs and services from Fiverr for my business and personal use, but people per hour I haven't bought any gigs from yet. But I've heard a lot of great things about their gig services and the website, so that's definitely something you want to check out. And the last website I want to mention is called Upwork.com. And this right here is Upwork home screen, and once you get to this page, just in the top, go up to sign up to make yourself a new account. You can sign up with Google or Apple, and once you sign up and put in all your information, you're going to be on the screen like this. And once you do sign up and you get to a screen like this, all you need to do is go to the top right hand corner and click this little icon right here and click settings. And once you click settings, just scroll all the way down and click on create a new account, because you're on a client account right now, but you want a new freelancer account. And if it say verify your address right here, all you need to do is just put in your address so you can verify it. And then after that, it will give you the option to create a new freelancer account. So we're going to click on that, and then all you need to do is become a freelancer and click on that. And once you do that, it's going to load up and it's going to say join Upwork as a freelancer, and click continue. And right here, all you need to do is fill out all this information and start your profile. If you have a LinkedIn profile, it'll make it much easier. You can fill it out, but then you got to fill it out manually if you don't. So right here, it gives you a bunch of different categories you can sign up for. And right here, let's say we wanted to do logos, so we will do design and create. So we'll click on that for our, you know, basically our parent topics, and then our subtopic is, you know, they have a bunch of different things. But let's say we wanted to do something else and scroll through here and look for a different category, we can do that. But yeah, that's all you have to do to sign up and become a freelancer for Upwork, is fill out all this information and you're good to go to start selling your gigs. Upwork has some great quality gigs on there, and by far I think out of Fiverr, people per hour, and Upwork, they earn the most on Upwork. They earn a lot of money on there because a lot of businesses and people go to Upwork knowing they're going to get some great quality service done, and that can be you. VA isn't hard, logo design isn't hard, and if you have another skill, I guarantee you'll be able to make it on Upwork.com. And just like that, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you was able to find great value out of this video, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe, because all we do here at Online Muscle Hustle is find different ways where we can make an online income. And I wish you the best of luck on your freelancing career. You have a nice rest of your day.
It wrapped around